Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you all are having a great day so far. So today on my desk, I have this black box, and inside this black box is a GU605C. Here are the specs, and in a bit of a departure to the typical contents provided on this channel, we'll just be doing a simple unboxing of this product today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. This particular model is the ROG Zephyrus G16, 16-inch OLED 2.5K, 240Hz screen with the Intel Core Ultra 9, 32GB of RAM, NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti 12GB, and 1TB SSD, purchased in open box condition from Best Buy. Moving on with the unboxing, there is just some clear tape here at the top, so I will gently remove this so that we can open the front of the box. Opening up the front of the box, inside we have two more boxes. Opening the box on the right first, we have our power supply. Cable looks to be intact. It's just your standard desktop power cable, along with this 240 watt power supply with a proprietary connector and some torn up plastic. And in this box, we have the actual laptop. The laptop looks to be in good physical condition so far, with no marks or streaks. No cracks. On the left side of the laptop, we have the proprietary power connector, an HDMI jack, a USB-C port, a USB-A port, and a headphone jack. And on the right, we have our full-size SD card reader, another USB-A port, and another USB-C port. We have nothing on the back. Below the laptop, in this small opening, we have some documentation. And here's the front of the laptop, which looks to be in very good condition, aside from some fingerprint marks on the screen. So let's go ahead and start it up. Oh, wow. In person, the screen is not that glossy, just a little bit opaque. Okay, and it starts up perfectly. Regarding initial impressions of the laptop in general, it does feel very premium. The aluminum chassis feels like it has a good amount of weight. It's quite strong. And the back of the case is removed pretty easily as well. With the proper Torx bit, this computer has soldered RAM. However, it can take an additional hard drive here. But other than that, there's not much else to say. Seems like a really good laptop on paper. However, after some usage and stress testing, I should be able to make a better determination on whether or not this will be good for my use case. Other than that, that's it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video has helped you in any way, please feel free to give it a like. You can also leave a comment down below. And if you would like to see more content like this, as well as other general repair content and sour candy videos and sour candy reviews, you can subscribe to my channel as well to get those updates. But in any case, that's all I have for you today. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Take care.